Most drivers think they can just log in anytime and make good money, but here's the truth no one tells you. Timing is the single biggest factor that decides your earnings on DoorDash in 2026. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is driving during random hours and hoping demand will appear. That approach almost always leads to low-paying orders and wasted time. In this video, you will learn the exact best times to DoorDash in 2026, how earnings change throughout the day, and how to position yourself to consistently hit peak income hours. Let's start with the most important truth. DoorDash earnings are not random. They follow predictable demand cycles. Now, here's where it gets interesting. These cycles are driven by human behavior, meaning people eat at the same times every day. The first major peak is lunchtime. This usually runs from around 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Office workers, students, and busy professionals all order during this window. A driver like Alex in a busy city can complete quick back-to-back deliveries if they position near office zones or fast food clusters. But here's the problem. Lunch peak is short. If you miss the early rush, orders slow down quickly. The second and most profitable peak is dinner time. This usually runs from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. This is when families, couples, and workers order full meals. Orders are larger, tips are often higher, and demand is more consistent. A driver like Jake working dinner shifts often sees the highest hourly earnings of the day simply because demand is stable and constant. Now, let's talk about a hidden earning window most drivers ignore. Late night hours, especially on weekends, can be surprisingly profitable. Think 9 p.m. to midnight. Fewer drivers are active, but demand still exists from entertainment districts, late workers, and fast food orders. Now, here's another key factor. Weather changes everything. Rainy or snowy conditions often increase orders instantly. Even a normal hour can become a high-paying window if fewer drivers are on the road. So how do you maximize earnings using this information? The smartest strategy is not working longer hours, but working the right hours. Focus your energy on lunch and dinner peaks first. Then add late night or weather-based shifts when available. Also, positioning matters. Stay near restaurant clusters, instead of residential areas during peak times. That reduces downtime between orders and increases delivery frequency. Another important insight is weekend versus weekday performance. Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays consistently outperform weekdays because people order more frequently and spend more per order. So what is the final takeaway? The best times to DoorDash are not random. They are lunch rush, dinner rush, and high-demand events like weekends and bad weather. If you focus only on these windows, your hourly earnings can increase significantly without working extra hours. To sum it up, success on DoorDash is not about grinding harder, it is about working smarter with timing. If this helped you understand when to drive for better earnings, like the video, comment your best shift, and subscribe for more real-world delivery strategies that help you earn more with less wasted time.